Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this beautiful look. This is my go-to makeup tutorial. This video was extremely highly requested, so I really hope you do enjoy it. So I'm going to show you guys how I filled in my brows to achieve a more natural brow look. I'm using a thin angled brush from Bobbie Brown to brush my brows. Then I'm going in with a brow pencil from Davis Cosmetics. So guys, you should know your brows are sisters, they are not twins, so don't be worried if they are not looking perfectly the same. So it's very important to brush your brows after using your pencil. The strokes from the brush gives the eyebrows a very natural look, so it's really important. It's essential in makeup. To conceal my brows, I'm using L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I feel like this concealer is perfect. I really love it for concealing my brows. And then blend, guys. I'm blending is really important. Right after using your concealer, just blend it together. For foundation, I'm using Glams Fluid Full Coverage Foundation Matte Perfection in the shade 280. I feel like this foundation is perfect for my skin because I matched it. That is very important, guys. Before you get a foundation, match it with your skin tone to see that it's perfect for your skin. And again, I'm blending. Blending, you see here, is very important. Blend well and you won't have any problem. Just blend, 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 guys. To highlight my face, I'm again using L.A Girl Pro Concealer, still in the shade Warm Honey. So now I'm blending with my foundation brush from Classic Makeup. Blending is very important. You don't want people to be seeing layers of your makeup, so just blend it through. And now to set my concealer, I'm using Calvin Klein pressed powder in the shade 700 Caramel. I really love this pressed powder. It's amazing. I don't really use a lot. A little bit goes a long way. So now to contour my face, I'm using the Maybelline New York Clear Smooth All-in-One powder in a darker shade. I really love this contour. It doesn't move, it can stay on for the whole day. I really love this. And it's also important to blend during contouring. It's very important. You don't want anyone seeing layers of the different types of products you use, so just blend it all through. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm using Glams Two-Way Cake Full Coverage Oil Free Powder in the shade 280 Caramel. I love this as well. It's perfect for my skin. It's like exact color of my skin tone, so I really love it. So another important step is to set your brows, guys. Set your brows. You don't want it to crease up and then be moving all over the place. So just use your powder and then go over it. And now for the more fun aspects of makeup, my eyeshadow. I'm using a 32 color combo palette. I really love this. It's not really high pigmented. It's, let's say, medium, so you have to pile a whole lot of product to get the color you want. So for those of you who really love bright colors, I don't recommend this for you actually. So you can try other ones. This is medium, so you'd have to put in a whole lot of product to get what you want. So for my transition color, it's a peach color as I showed you earlier. This is a peach color for transition. And now I'm using a beige color for the inner corners of my lid. And now I'm going in with a darker tone for the outer part of my lid. And once I'm through with my eyeshadow, I just dust off the excess product from my face using my brush. This is also important. You don't want product to be falling into your eyes. And now for mascara, which I really love, I'm using this Naeked mascara. I really love the applicator of this mascara. I feel like the strokes are really packed together, so it makes your eyelash look really real, which is very important. I really love this mascara. So I'm now brushing the upper lash. I will do same to the bottom one as well, so stay tuned if you want to see how I do it. So as promised, I'm now applying the mascara to my lower lash. Most people skip this part. I don't. I really feel it's important. It brings your eye out. It's really important, guys. So just try and do it. So we are now through with the mascara. So for today's makeup tutorials, we are doing a red lip. I really love doing red lips. I feel like it's a statement. When you have on red lips, you are making a statement. It's a bold look, so I really love it. I'm first of all lining my lips, and then I go through with the rest of the lip. So for blush, I'm using this peach color, which I really love. Blush is very important if you want your makeup to stand out, if you want it to be exceptional, if you want your skin to glow. Just use a little bit of it and you are good to go. And so guys, that is it basically for this makeup tutorials. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel as well. Subscribe, hit on that button right now. And please follow me on all social media, especially on Instagram. I'm Mercedes Obeng. Thank you guys for watching. See you some other time. Bye.
Don't wanna believe what I see.